Happy Sunday, everybody. Welcome back to Spectrum News 1. I'm meteorologist Robert Suhr with another check of that forecast. Look at all of the rainfall we have gotten here in Bowling Green since Wednesday. 10 inches of rain since Wednesday. This does not include any rain that has fallen since midnight, so we're probably well over this number now, which is why we are so concerned about that catastrophic flooding across portions of the tri-state. You see the Ohio River Basin here. A lot of the area streams and creeks drain into the Ohio and eventually into the Mississippi, and you look at all of the rainfall we have seen across the tri-state, easily over 6 to 10 inches or more across the area, which is why many communities across the tri-state, especially west of Kentucky Lake, you can't reach them. They are cut off from the floodwaters. And you look at the Green River here at Calhoun, expected to rise into major flood stage by the time we get to early in the week. These numbers will be changing and fluctuating, but still moderate to major, if not catastrophic flooding is in the forecast. So please do what you can to keep yourself safe. Also, this is not the time to go sightseeing. If you don't live in a flood area and you want to go check it out, don't put yourself in that kind of a life-threatening situation. You see all the flood warnings that remain in effect for portions of the tri-state until further notice. It's going to take several days, if not maybe a week or more, for these floodwaters to start to recede. This much rain takes a while to drain off. It will be a wet and chilly and raw day as well today. We're still looking at chances for scattered showers throughout the day and into the afternoon, but it's not going to be nearly as heavy or widespread as what we dealt with the past couple of days, and we don't have to worry about severe weather or anything like that. Notice a lot of the activity winding down by this evening and into tonight, and finally by Monday we start to get some sunshine in here, and folks can start to unfortunately assess the damage that they may have from those floodwaters to their property. So lower 50s today. Some spots most likely will be stuck in the upper 40s for a good part of the day. Tonight we drop down into the upper 30s and lower 40s, and then you look at the extended forecast. Chilly mornings Monday into Tuesday and Tuesday into Wednesday, but we do remain on the dry side before more shower chances return late week.
Thank you.